Well, I have to say I am the newest fan of Harbor Freight stuff. It did only take me about 10 minutes to put it together. The hard part was screwing in the screws tight, the bolts, and I got all of them done except for one. It's always one. I guess I just get tired after so many, and it wasn't but 6. But that last one I couldn't get to go in. But here's a picture of my cargo rack. Y'all can see it. It's all mounted to the van, and it's sturdy for the most part. And one screw down there is the only one that I couldn't really tighten, so I'm going to go into this Walmart and see if I can find me a socket that'll fit around this big bolt so I can hold it. But cargo rack done.